Are you tired of a cluttered and disorganized garage? It's time to reclaim your space and embark on a successful garage cleanout. Been there, Dump That is here to guide you through the process and provide the perfect solution for your garage cleanout needs. If you haven't been organizing your garage on a regular basis, you could be in for a big job. It can be overwhelming to tackle, and it's not always easy to get rid of all the years' worth of stuff that have been accumulating in there. Let's start off with the 4 steps to a successful purge. These steps will be the stepping stones to having the ultimate garage cleanout. Here's a quick downloadable infographic that you can use for quick reference. Step 1. Survey your garage. Unless you're getting someone to clean out your garage for you by hiring a garage cleanout service or professional garage cleaners, you'll need to start by surveying your garage. Step 2. Make a plan and block out dates. After you've surveyed your belongings in the garage, it's time for you to make a plan for the garage cleanout. Set a date for yourself and hold yourself to it. Block out a couple of days in your calendar and make sure you have nothing planned. Step 3. Use the keep, sell, donate method. The moment has arrived, and it's time to bid farewell to some of your belongings. Your garage cleanout is dependent on creating space for a fresh and enhanced environment. Sort your items into categories: keep, sell, or donate. Only keep items that you know you will use in the next year. Consider selling items that are still in working condition, donating items to help the community. Step 4. Toss. This is where the dumpster rental comes in handy during a garage cleanout. Immediately toss out those unwanted items in the dumpster. The walk-in, double-door feature on our Bin There, Dump That dumpster rentals make it easy to walk items in and out, especially the larger ones. With these steps, you can transform your cluttered garage into a beautifully clean and meticulously organized space, ready for the next exciting chapter in your life.